Afternoon. Right. Afternoon session usually seems to be little dull. When Madhya Pradesh is full, Uttar Pradesh will not work sometime, is it not? But today is going to be a different thing, right? So today we are going to see, now we are going to see a powerful topic, fear of failures, how to handle it, right? How many of you sitting here really fear for the failures? You fear for failures? Yes, then this session is for you. Those who are not fearing for the failures, for them also this session is for them. Right? Okay. A child is at 10 months child tries to walk. 10 months baby tries to walk. How many times it will fail? It will fall down. Hundreds of times. You never take it as a failure. The baby doesn't take it as a failure. At that time the system is so powerful. The child can walk it can get up any number of times. Only thing is we are spoiling it. Achucho, system is collapsed. In fact, we are not fearing for ourselves, we are fearing for the outside environment. We allow the outside environment to comment on us and we fear for the comments. Right? 100 persons are running in a running race. Only 3 can get prizes. First prize, second prize, third prize. Do you think all the 97 persons who are running in the track are failures? Definitely not. Definitely not. They are in the success track. If not today, some other day they will win. Some other definitely they will, because they are in success track. Rather than sitting in as a spectators, they are far better. The spectators will remain as spectators, but the people running in the track, definitely if not today, some other day definitely they will win. Why we fear for failures? That is the big question. Why we fear? While walking on the road, sometimes we may slip and fall down. Immediately we fear and check up whether anybody is watching me falling. If somebody is watching, what immediately the fear. If nobody is watching, okay, fine. Nobody has watched me, fine. The outside environment gives you more. We give importance to the outside environment, right? So let us check up what type of fear we are having. Why we fear? We do not understand the fear. Exactly. What does it mean? What it wants to convey to you? We are not. Okay. We do not understand the terminology failure properly. We may brand it as a failure, but definitely it's not failure. Somehow give fear and some psychology fear is there. We have failed, we can't get up, we can't do it again. Once for all, the chance is lost, our opportunity is not. But it's not the fact. It is not the fact. You check up with any successful people, nobody has got success at the first instance. No. Some very rare cases, we may call it as luck. We can create our own luck. We can create our own history in our life. We can be a successful person in our life. Oh, we got to redefine failure. How we are going to call the failure, that is going to decide your life. How we can call the redefine? We can call it as stepping stones. Without failures, we can't learn anything. Without failures, we can't come up in our life. A person who doesn't have failure means he never tried at all. He never tried in his life. Those who are going on trying, definitely they will get failures, but they learn from it. These are stepping stones for them. How they term failures are not failures. It may be wondering, if failures are not failures, then what we can call? How we can call? Failures are only just feedbacks. How you have performed a job. How you have performed a job at the particular time. Take for example, a student is writing 10th exam or 11th exam. He got failure he got less marks in the maths. Everybody may be saying you failed in maths. That doesn't mean that student is unfit for maths. That examination, how did you perform for the past 3 hours? That's all. How did you write the exam for 3 hours? How he attended the examination? That's all. But we brand it as failure. It's only a feedback how the boy has done the examination. how the boy has answered the question for the 3 hours. That's all. In same way, we may feel we get lot of failures. No, how we perform is only a feedback. How you take it. If you take in the right sense, it is going to give you a positive results in your life. If you fear for it, then that's the end of it. That's it. So we need failures. You want success means you need failures. Embrace it. You learn from it. Then only you can change your life. All failures are only temporary setbacks. You have to redefine them as a temporary setbacks. It's not permanent one. Clouds may come, rain, but the clouds will move. No cloud will stay above your head forever. So failures we may face failures here and there. No failure are permanently sticking with you. But how you attack it, how powerful you are. You are more powerful than the things happening. Right? Find opportunity in each failure. Every inventor, every successful person, they found out something in each failure. How many seeds are there in an apple? Can you guess something? How many seeds will be there in an apple? Maybe 6 or 8. Can you guess how many apples will be there inside an apple? Right? Some seeds are there, and each seed definitely can grow into a big tree, and thousands of apples can come. That's the way you have to look at it, each failure. There is a positive seed in each failure. How we look at it. With our past experience, with somebody's past experience, we feel failure is a failure. Definitely not. Nobody has got the results at the first instance. In our school life also, we might have failed here and there. We never stopped trying. We learned something. We are not properly prepared for the examination. How many of you can go to sleep previous day to the examination? Go to sleep at 9 o'clock confidently. How many of you? Only few. Right. There are two categories there. One group is cover to cover, I am thorough. Any question, let any question come from anywhere, I can write. The other group is, I know only 2 units. Whatever may be the question, I am going to write the same thing. Whatever may be the question, I am going to write the same 2-unit answers everywhere. Only thing is, I have to pick up some small words from the questions. Here and there, I will attach it. Right? If you are thorough, if you are learned from our past experience during the examinations, definitely we can change our life. Every examination, every student find it difficult during the examination time. Around 8 o'clock, somehow they will be very clear what are the portions are there. What are the portions to be covered for tomorrow's examination. At the time only 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, only people will be very much thorough. And one group will be doing a lot of research. I have concentrated, I have checked up past 5 years question papers. Yeah, only these questions definitely will come. This is a very important thing. 10 more questions will come. Every analysis will be there. They know what are the questions will be coming. Definitely they know, but they don't know the answers. They know only the questions. They can prepare the questions also. Definitely this pattern will be coming. But during the examination, what we are doing, what the students are doing, on that day only, definitely we will have the sleeping mentality earlier. All the other days, we may be waking up to 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock. But during examination day, that I don't know why it is coming like that. Maybe because of small fonts in the book size. Books may be one of the reasons. But during the examination, students find it very difficult to wake up beyond 10 o'clock. Right? 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, they will be trying whether education or sleep. Education or sleep, education or sleep. At the end, what will they? Sleep will win. At 10:30, 11 o'clock, they will take a decision. Okay, come on, let everything go for a choice. Let us leave everything for choice. And some people, it is morning, definitely I will catch up. Yeah, morning I will catch up. Definitely I can get up early, definitely I catch up. They will set the alarm for 4 o'clock. As soon as the alarm rings, immediately, tuck. We'll go for sleep again, another half an hour, 30 minutes. Mommy will wake you up. Mommy, 5 minutes. Mommy, 10 minutes. Let me sleep now, 5 minutes. Okay. Throughout night, the child was studying, so let us sleep or let him sleep. By 5 o'clock, oh my God, 5 o'clock, I want to cover lot of portions. Come on. They could not cover everything in the morning. They rush up to the college or school. They want to cover up everything near the examination hall. At the entrance of the exam, they'll walking here and then reading or revising everything. The student will come immediately say, hey, have you studied this? Definitely a question will come from here. Immediately go to 138 page number. And another fellow, hey, this is also very important here. Come to 48 page number. At that time, lecturer will call. How many times you are reading here? Enough, come inside. Otherwise, I will not call you inside. Without putting our heart, we will leave the book and come inside the hall and we will see the question paper. The first question will be from the choice. Immediately, mind goes blank. Everything blank screen. At that time, we take a decision. Next examination, I want to be thorough. I want to plan everything. We will learn everything. Next exam, I am not going to leave it. I was suffering here. Yesterday night also I slept early. On the other days I was waking up to 1 o'clock. But yesterday I gone to sleep at 11 o'clock. Next exam, definitely I must do something, plan something. I must plan my work and I will work my plan, everything. Everything will be out because we have not learned from the previous experience. We are not learning from the previous experience. If you are learning means every examination will be fine for you. You can happily enter, just like that, happily. The examination, ha ha ha, jaliya, I will go and enjoy. That should be the mentality because we are not learning from the previous experience and we brand it as failure. It is only a feedback. We have to learn from the feedback, right? It is an opportunity to learn and correct yourselves. In our life, there is an ample number of opportunities to correct yourself. Every day I will learn, every day. I am an extraordinary student in my life. Every day I learn, even from my children, even from my participants, everywhere. Keep your mind open. Wherever you can change yourself, wherever you can study, wherever you can modify your system, wherever you can amend. Empty number of opportunities are available. We have to use it. So find out what is the positive seed in it. Is an opportunity to go for a creative change. Okay, first time I didn't expect the results. The results have come in this way. Next is a very good opportunity for you to do something creatively. Go for something creatively. Do something special. You are a special person in this world. You are unique somewhere else. You have to show your ability where you are special. And another opportunity is given to you to do it again. Now this time do it in a creative way. Every day there are number of opportunities available to do something, everything creatively. How many of you searching for the vehicle keys in the morning? In the morning, Haribari will be searching for the vehicle. Sometimes we will be searching for a checkbook. Sometimes we will be searching for the locker keys. But the same episode continues every time. We are not learning from it. Do something creatively. Put a nail there. This is for vehicle key. Put a nail there. This is for locker key. Learn something. What is the fun in life? We are doing the same mistake and again and we feel life is bored. No. We are making it a powerful one. We are making a powerful and creative one. We can celebrate life. We can enjoy life. It is an opportunity to go for innovation. Innovate. Do something special, creative way. While there will be no competition for innovation. If you are doing what other persons are doing, there will be severe competition. Don't be happy to sit along with 100 persons. Don't be happy to sit along with 10%. You be special. Do something special. There will be no competition. Companies will be calling you for it. You might have heard about the interview questions, serious questions. In a serious interview, people have asked, how many steps you have climbed? The interview was held at the 2nd floor. How many steps you have climbed? How many steps you are going? Now, how many steps you have to climb down? That was the question. Immediately the person answered, how many steps I have climbed? Same number of steps I am going to go down, yeah. That's all. It's an innovative answer, something creative answer, right? So something we have to find out where the innovation can be. It is a challenge, not a problem. Henceforth, in your life, there is no word called problem. Rename the word problem as challenge. Challenge means your mind can give you the results, give you the path, right path. What is the way, exact way you should lead your life? If you think is the problem means everything is fineless, sealed. And it means you are not failure, it means you are not inferior, it means you are not yet perfect. Still we have to do it in a perfect way. Still I have to find out something. Still I have to put some more efforts. Still I have to put more talents, right? It means you should try harder. My efforts are not enough. I have to still do it better way. It means good things are waiting for you. Always be positive. All is well. All is well. That is a day of the wordings of the day, phrase of the day. So everything is going fine. It means you have not yet succeeded. Still you are on the success track, right? Still it will take a longer time. Do something in a different way. You have to start afresh. These are the points. So stop and think differently. Everybody has proved in their life. Roger Bannister, you might have heard about the person who has tried to run a 1 mile distance within 4 minutes. He was the first person to break the record. After 9 years, he tried thousands of times in the same Oxford University grounds. He never failed as thought as a failure. Thomas Alva 1,000 times. Wright brothers many times. KFC Colonel Sanders tried 1,009 times in 2 years. Walt Disney tried 302 times. Did they term it as a failure? No. They are going on trying and again and again. So J.K. Rowling tried 40 times. You have heard about all these people. Milton was a blind. person. Napoleon skin disease, Julius Caesar epilepsy, Beethoven deaf, Demosthenes stammering, Roosevelt Newark, and Edison fire in their labs. In spite of his invented it, Isaac Newton project papers are burnt, but still Abraham Lincoln story is definitely everywhere. It's a known story. In spite of so many things, setbacks, he was able to win at the end. If you don't win at the first time, call it as version number 1. That's all. Fine. Thank you. Bye bye.